go to Brush.Ninja to make GIF animations. Now we know how to use the brush tool, where to find shapes, remembering to duplicate as we go, the difference between the line tool and the fill tool, where to find more shapes, how to choose your own colors, select a background color or picture, where to find different kinds of lines, how to download your GIF by choosing Export, Export, Download, saves right into my downloads. And how to upload in our Art Club Padlet. Let's investigate today how to use this selection arrow. It's on the upper left, right underneath New. You can delete, duplicate, group, ungroup, flip horizontally or vertically, bring an object forward or send it to the back. I'm going to click New to start a new GIF. I chose 4 shapes: a head, rectangle, oval, and a heart. Each time I drew, I hit duplicate at the bottom. Now I'm going to click on the arrow, click on the rectangle, and hit duplicate 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Now that I have the arrow selected, I can use these rectangles to build my robot creature. I want the heart to be in front. So I click on the heart and choose Bring Forward. I can use my selection arrow keys to move the heart. I can select on the rectangles. If I hit Shift, I can select more than one thing at the same time. Send to back. I'm going to get that heart forward. There we go. Now I've got a whole bunch more shapes. If I select them all, click from the outside and drag a box over all these shapes, I can say Group. That allows me to click just once and I get the whole robot. Now watch as I use these tools on the left to make the robot dance and build an army of dancing robots.